In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger VPS. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new VPS inside Hostinger's hPanel, choose the best location and template for your project, and finalize the setup with the right credentials. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Hostinger's hPanel homepage. This is your central dashboard for managing services. Once you're there, look for the VPS section. Clicking on VPS takes you to the area where your virtual private servers live. If you already have a plan waiting to be set up, you'll see an option to get started. Click Setup VPS to launch the provisioning flow. This is where you define how and where your server will run. First, choose the server location. Pick the data center that's closest to your audience or your primary users. The closer the server is to the people who will access it, the lower the latency and the snappier the experience. If you're unsure, choose a region near you or near the majority of your site visitors. Keep in mind that changing locations later often means a migration, so it's best to choose carefully now. When you're happy with the selection, click Next to continue. Next, you'll choose what to install from the available categories. You'll typically see clean operating systems, like popular Linux distributions, alongside pre-configured templates that bundle software stacks or server control panels. If you prefer full control and minimal overhead, a plain OS is a great choice, with Ubuntu LTS being a common and well-supported option. If you want a faster start with web hosting tools or a specific stack, pick a pre-built template that matches your use case. These templates can save time, but remember, they may use more resources than a bare OS. After reviewing the options, click Select on the template or OS you want. You'll then set your password and continue. This password is crucial. It's the root or main admin credential you'll use to access the server. Create a strong, unique password with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for at least 12 to 16 characters. Avoid reusing passwords and store it in a secure password manager so you don't lose access. After you confirm your choices, Hostinger will start provisioning your VPS. This can take a few minutes. You'll see progress inside hPanel, and once it's finished, the server's details like its IP address will appear on your VPS page. That's all there is to the initial setup. You've successfully created and configured your Hostinger VPS, ready for management and deployment from hPanel.